we're gonna be making chili dogs. We got some hot links here. Got some chili, some Colby Jack, and some buns. Let's get started. But first, let me show you what I cooked them on. All right, let's go ahead and review this Coffee Yard dual stove burner for camping or really any kind of general use, but this is more for like an outdoor kind of thing. So this little grill here, it has this little grommet where it holds them together, and it has this little gas line. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. And I like this little automatic switch that it has. You don't have to carry a lighter or matches or anything. The heat setting control knobs are to the right, it's for lower, and to the left, it's for higher temperature. All right, we're just gonna screw this thing in. It's really simple. You just turn it clockwise and the gas line basically plugs in. And you wanna set it up to where you can put this little propane tank and screw it in. And this here, you can give it a few twists and it'll pop right in. If you never put one of these, it's pretty simple, and I know you can get it. So what I liked about this thing is you can actually put some pretty big pans on here because it has that divider in the center. So let's go ahead and test this thing. And this thing turned on right away, and it's really powerful, and it gets the pans hot really quickly. So that's one positive about this little set here, is that if you're making food outside and you really want to get it going, it'll make the food really quick, and it does get hot enough, not like other electric kind of stovetops. So this is awesome. That's why I like propane. Open up our chili here. This is perfect if you're going to be going like camping, or if you're at the park, if you're a soccer dad like me, you want to make something quick. You just get this, throw this baby on there, boom. We're gonna let this thing heat up, that thing on high. Let's go. We're gonna throw our links on here. All right, this thing gets so hot so quick. I love it, man. There's some electric cookers that just don't get hot enough, and honestly, when it comes to that, that's why it's good to go with propane. We're gonna throw all our links on here. Look how much dude, you can feed like 10 people with this. This is crazy. And if you were here, you'd be smelling this thing. It's only been, you know, a minute or two, and this chili's already hot. So I'm actually gonna lower the heat on this. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and give these things a flip. These things are cooking nicely. You know, people always use regular hot dogs for chili dogs, but I like to give it a twist, man. I like that spice flavor, or even do some Bratwurst. Like, stop making food the same way as everyone, man. It's kind of crazy. Like, switch it up, try something new. You know, that's what cooking's all about. I'm actually gonna turn this chili off. We're gonna pump this one to full blast. You can hear this thing working, man. This thing's nice and hot. When you're cooking these on high heat, you gotta constantly flip them so they don't burn on you. So just keep an eye, because these things will burn. And these things are pretty much done. I like with the rip skin. Some may not like it this way, but I do. You can hear the skin ripping. Let's go ahead and pull these. Ooh, these are spicy, man. Let's go ahead and pull these off. The oil's still nice and hot. I'm gonna throw some hot dog buns on there. Try these up. Toast them up. Do not make a chili dog with cold buns, guys. That's just criminal. You gotta warm these guys up. There we go. Got the nice char on there. There we go. Nice and charred. Just how I like it. What do we got going on here? Got some cheese, some chili. Now that this is done, you can turn this off. You won't need this anymore. And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. Make sure both burners are off. All you really need to do with this tank, just give a little twist. And we're done. It's set, and now we're good. I like to take this tank off first. Put this guy to the side. Still plenty of propane on there. All right, let's make our dogs, man. Let's make our dogs. Okay, we got 2 dogs here. We're just gonna go into it real quick. Get our hot chili and just throw it right on top. Oh yeah, look at that, man. Like I said, if you're camping, fishing, whatever you're doing, this is it. This is the money. This is the money meal right here, guys. Now we got our cheese. You know we gotta hit it with that cheese, baby. You know we gotta hit it with that cheese, bro. Oh yeah. That's it. Let's give it a bite, man. Now for my favorite part, we're gonna try these babies. So let's get one of these. Oh yeah. Nice and spicy. Chili's perfect. Gotta try these guys, man. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and give them a shot, guys.